Hi, welcome to this question here. Okay, the question asks for the surface area and the volume of a cylinder, which is good because we do have like a nice equation for these questions here. So to start off, we get the diameter equals to 42 feet and the height is 110 feet. The units are being consistent, which is good. But we don't really use diameter that much when it comes to the equation. So we're going to change into radius, okay? So it's a quick calculation. Just take the 42 divided by 2. You get yourself the radius to be equal to, so let me put it on the side right here, to be 21 feet, okay? So 21 feet right there, okay? So let's start off by calculating the surface area first, okay? So, surface area. Now, the equation says it's 2 pi r squared and plus the 2 pi r with the h, okay? Now, some people might be wondering, so why is it the equation looks like this? Is there any reason for this to occur? It's straightforward. If you actually unwrap the cylinder, you will see that it's a circle on the top with a rectangular shape in the middle and followed by another circle, okay? So if you unwrap it open, that's what you see. We got 2 circles and 1 rectangles. That 2 pi r squared, the pi r squared is the area of the circle. And since there are 2 of them, that's why we got a 2 here. The 2 pi r over here is the circumference of the circle. Because when you unwrapped it, the length of the rectangle over here is the circumference. That's where the 2 pi r comes in. And the height is just this guy right here. Okay? So that's where you get the equation from. So the rest of the word to find the surface area, just plug it in. So here we go, really quickly. We got 2 pi times the radius. That's why we had to find the radius first. We're going to square that plus the 2 pi times the radius, 21 times the height is 110. And just use your calculator, punch it in, you should get the answer. Turns out to be 17285. And we got feet and it's a square. Okay? Quickly, let's do the next part, which is the volume. Okay? The volume of the cylinder also comes with the equation itself. It's just the area of the base times the height. So we're going to put down the base area and we're going to say times the height, just like that. Now, if you look at the diagram of the cylinder, the base is the circular part, which is at the bottom, right here, okay? Or on the top, this piece right here, identical piece. So it's a circle. Therefore, the area of a circle is going to be a pi r squared, and the height is given on the side, 110. So let's quickly fill in the information that we have. Here's my pi. The radius is 21 squared, and times the h, 110. And that your answer now would be 1523 and 98.7, and we got ourselves the feet cube. Okay, remember the volumes in cubes, the surface areas are in squares. Okay, and that's your answer right here. Thanks for watching.